Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Gmail. Click Compose and place the cursor where your message will go. Once done, click the Google Meet icon in the bottom toolbar to generate meeting details. You can pick an instant meet link for immediate sharing or select Schedule to open Calendar and reserve a time. Make sure your account is signed in and has Meet enabled, otherwise the icon won't appear. This step creates the link and inserts the join info directly into your draft so you can continue writing. Now focus on content and logistics. Add recipients and a clear subject, then include a short agenda so attendees know the purpose. You can edit the inserted meet link text to say, "Join Google Meet," or paste an expanded invite with dial-in numbers and PIN if needed. If you scheduled via calendar, make sure the event has correct time zone settings and guest permissions. This ensures attendees get accurate reminders. Also check that the meet link appears in both the email body and calendar event. Finish by sending the email and then verifying the link. Click it yourself to confirm it opens a Meet preview or join page. Make sure recipients receive the message and that the calendar event populated correctly if you scheduled the meeting. If someone reports a broken link, regenerate a new meet link in Compose or create a calendar event and re-invite, then notify attendees of the update. As a final tip, clear cache or try an incognito window if the link won't open in your browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.